Okay, we're on round 6. This is a petal round. I want them to be a little bit taller than the ones we did on the previous round. So we're going to put some triples in this one. So we're going to slip stitch into that first chain loop that we just on the round previous. Going to chain 1 because I need a starting chain for a single. And I'm going to do a single crochet. Okay? And now I'm going to do a double. No, I'm sorry. Single, half double, double, 2 triples, double, half double, and single. So that gives us our next petal. Okay, so the petal pattern is single crochet, half double, double, 3 triple, double, half double, single. Okay, let's do the next one together. So you're just going to single crochet in the next loop, half double, double, 2 triple, double, half double, single. All right, see how our flower's starting to come together? And I'm just going to do that in each loop all the way around, and I'll come back to you when I'm done. All right, so that's what I have so far. Not bad for winging it, I don't think. It's got that 3D look there. I don't know if I want to go another round or not, because that just really looks pretty. All right, so what I did, I fastened off that coral color there, and then on the back, I went ahead and I slip stitched to join the green for the leaves. And I did it in one of those, see where the end of the petal is right here? The dip. Well, there's a skipped single crochet there from a previous round. So you're gonna go into that single crochet to anchor this green thread, chain 7, and I'm going to the next dip right there where there was a skipped single crochet. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my hook up from the back of it and then go into it. There we go. A little bit of a tricky move there, but you'll see what I'm doing when you're working on it yourself. So this is going to give us a base for our leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not really how I wanted to do it, but it looked best doing it this way. So I rolled with it. All right, let's see what we got. All right, not bad. I can live with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just do that all the way around to give yourself an anchor for your leaves, and I'll come back to that. So now we're working on our leaf round. We're going to slip stitch into that first loop that we just made, chain 1 for our starting chain, and then single crochet in that same spot. Okay, now I'm going to do a half double. I'm going to do 2 doubles, three triples, why am I doing so many? Because the farther out you go on your petals, the more chains are in your loop, and you have to have enough stitches to fill up that loop so it doesn't look naked. Where am I at? Let's see, one more. Now 2 double. A half double. And a single. All right, so now you can see how our leaves are starting to take shape. I'll do one more with you and then I'll come back after I've finished. All right, so single crochet in the next loop, half double, 2 doubles, three triples, two doubles, one half double, and a single. All right, so let's take a looky-loo. Oh, yeah, I like that. All right, I'll finish that round and come back. Okay, so that's how our granny looks so far with our 3D flower. We have our leaves that it's resting on, and now I got to figure out how I'm gonna make it be square for granny square. So this will be fun.